Silly Elon Musk once called a $25,000 Tesla pointless, but now the 2025 Tesla Model 2 is coming back to shatter that belief and rewrite the rules of the EV market. We'll be introducing several new products throughout 2025. We are still on track to launch a more affordable model in the first half of 2025, and we'll continue to expand our lineup from there. The electric vehicle revolution is about to take a giant leap forward. 10. The Model 2 becomes a game changer, combining affordability with cutting-edge technology. So, what groundbreaking plans does Elon Musk have for the mass production of the 2025 Tesla Model 2? How does it change to deliver exceptional value at its price? Let's dive in and uncover the future of EV before we dive into the latest innovations from AutoFusion. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, be part of our growing community, and become our 137,899th subscriber today. Join the Tesla revolution and stay ahead with the most exciting updates on cutting-edge technology, electric vehicles, and groundbreaking advancements. How does Elon Musk get mass production? Tesla's approach to producing an affordable EV like the Model 2 revolves around refining the entire manufacturing and support ecosystem. One of the most critical components of this strategy is the rapid expansion of Tesla's Supercharger network. While charging infrastructure may not seem directly related to vehicle manufacturing, it plays a vital role in supporting large-scale EV adoption. A well-developed charging network reduces range anxiety, encourages more consumers to switch to EV, and ultimately justifies the high production volumes Tesla is targeting with the Model 2. Tesla's recent Supercharger expansions highlight this commitment, with new stations appearing worldwide. In Champlin, New York, 16 new Supercharger stalls have been installed, while Sweden has seen a massive addition of over 1,000 new stalls. Similarly, McDonough, Georgia, in the United States, now features 16 new stalls. San Benedetto del Tronto, Italy, has added 12, and Milpitas, California, has expanded with 18 new stalls. A series of new charging stations are being set up, covering almost all the countries. These aggressive deployments signal Tesla's readiness to support the widespread adoption of the Model 2 and ensure that customers have a seamless charging experience once these vehicles hit the road. Tesla's gigafactories are the backbone of its production strategy, enabling the company to scale up manufacturing efficiently and cost-effectively. As Tesla prepares to launch the Model 2, its most affordable EV to date, these massive production facilities will play a crucial role in ensuring high-volume output while maintaining quality and affordability. 3 key gigafactories located in Mexico, China, and Germany are expected to be the primary hubs for Model 2 production, each strategically positioned to optimize supply chains, reduce costs, and streamline distribution. Gigafactory Mexico, situated in Monterrey, is set to become a major production center for the Model 2. Its proximity to the U.S. market allows for efficient distribution across North America, while cost-effective labor and access to essential supply chains make it an ideal location for manufacturing a budget-friendly EV. In China, Gigafactory Shanghai continues to be a cornerstone of Tesla's global operations. With its advanced production capabilities and strong supplier ecosystem, this facility has already demonstrated its ability to lower costs while producing vehicles at scale. When, in 2024, it reached nearly 1 million vehicles, an increase of 8.8% over the previous year and a record high. This factory is expected to handle a significant portion of Model 2 production, catering to both domestic and international demand. Meanwhile, Gigafactory Berlin will be instrumental in Tesla's European expansion. Its location near key European suppliers ensures a streamlined production process, reducing logistics costs and accelerating delivery times for the European market. By strategically distributing production across these gigafactories, Tesla can enhance efficiency, minimize production costs, and rapidly deploy the Model 2 to markets worldwide. To mass-produce the Model 2 affordably, Tesla is employing several advanced manufacturing techniques aimed at cutting production time and costs while maintaining high standards of efficiency and quality. A key innovation is Tesla's use of the GigaPress, a massive die-casting machine that can produce large vehicle sections as a single seamless part. The GigaPress allows the Model 2's rear chassis and other major components to be cast in one piece, drastically reducing the number of parts needed, potentially by as much as 1,000 fewer parts. This not only speeds up production, but also improves structural integrity and lowers labor costs. Tesla's GigaPress machines are already in operation at Gigafactories, with additional machines expected to ramp up production globally. By embedding AI systems throughout its factories, Tesla can closely monitor production lines in real time, enabling quick detection of potential defects or anomalies. These systems can automatically adjust processes to optimize production, ensuring each vehicle meets Tesla's stringent quality standard. AI-driven predictive maintenance is also a game changer, allowing Tesla to forecast equipment failures up to 30 days in advance, reducing unexpected downtimes by as much as 50%. Furthermore, Tesla's AI technologies help improve factory throughput, with estimates suggesting that AI-driven automation can increase overall production efficiency by 20 to 30%. This means Tesla can produce significantly more vehicles per unit of time without compromising quality. For example, by using AI to optimize the assembly process, Tesla can increase the number of cars built per hour, potentially increasing factory output by 25%. In addition to operational efficiency, AI technologies are also used to enhance supply chain management. Machine learning algorithms enable Tesla to predict component demand with 95% accuracy, helping ensure that parts are delivered on time and in the correct quantities. This minimizes delays in production, reduces the risk of stockouts, and ultimately helps Tesla scale its operations. How does it change when the price is low? As always, all our products come with the best software in the industry, autonomy features, and the capability of full autonomy in the future. Despite the premium experience, the total cost of ownership is close to mass market, less premium competitors. So, how does the experience of the 2025 Tesla Model 2 shift when the price is made more affordable? Will the 2025 Model 2 live up to Tesla's CFO Vaib Tanaga's promise of full self-driving and Tesla's AI-powered efficiency? Tesla's full self-driving, FSD, and AI-powered efficiency are pivotal in making the Model 2 both affordable and advanced. The FSD system, powered by Tesla's A for computer, is capable of handling complex driving tasks such as lane changes, highway navigation, and traffic management. The Model 2 will offer FSD Supervised version 13.2, allowing the car to manage these tasks while the driver supervises, marking a major step for compact EV and offering advanced autonomy features. Tesla's over-the-air software updates ensure that FSD continuously improves with regular updates, enhancing the car's ability to navigate complex scenarios. This allows the Model 2 to benefit from future advancements in autonomy, moving closer to Level 5 autonomy, where full self-driving is achieved without human intervention. Tesla's use of AI and real-world data from its fleet makes its FSD system smarter over time. Tesla's AI strategy is based on the understanding that real-world data and continuous learning are critical to achieving true autonomy. With the help of neural networks that process vast amounts of data from Tesla's global fleet, the company is developing a system that can adapt and learn from every driving situation, making it smarter and more capable as time goes on. The integration of these AI-driven technologies positions Tesla to lead in both the EV and autonomous driving markets, setting the Model 2 apart with premium technology at an affordable price. As AI continues to evolve, so will the Model 2's capabilities, ensuring it remains at the forefront of the automotive industry. Next-gen batteries for enhanced range and affordability, another major area where Tesla is innovating to ensure the Model 2 remains affordable while still offering excellent performance, is in its next-gen battery technology. In Tesla's Master Plan Part 3, released on April 5, 2023, the company laid out its battery strategy and detailed plans for a variety of vehicles across different segments. Tesla's compact vehicle, the Model 2, is set to be equipped with a 53 kWh lithium iron phosphate LFP battery, which will provide an EPA estimated range of about 250 miles on a single charge. LFP batteries are known for their affordability, safety, and long lifespan, making them a perfect fit for the Model 2. By using LFP cells, Tesla can reduce up to 21% battery costs, which is crucial for keeping the Model 2's overall price competitive while maintaining an adequate driving range. The affordability of the LFP's battery also helps lower the total cost of ownership for the Model 2, ensuring it remains accessible to a broad consumer base. Tesla's focus on battery innovation extends beyond the Model 2, with the company continuing to push the envelope with its 4,680 battery cells, which are expected to improve energy density, reduce production costs, and enhance vehicle performance across Tesla's lineup. While the Model 2 will initially use the LFP battery, the ongoing development of Tesla's next-gen batteries promises even further improvements in efficiency, range, and cost-effectiveness over time. Optimized small platform for urban efficiency, the Model 2 will be built on Tesla's next-generation small platform, which has been specifically designed to optimize efficiency and cost. Tesla has always emphasized the importance of manufacturing vehicles that can meet the needs of urban environments. As the Model 2 is expected to be a smaller car, it will be ideal for large cities and congested urban traffic where compact size, maneuverability, and efficiency are crucial. According to a reliable source, the Model 2 will be available in two body styles, a hatchback and a sedan, to cater to different consumer preferences while maintaining the compact dimensions that make it ideal for city driving. The hatchback provides added versatility with more cargo space, while the sedan offers a traditional design with a slightly more spacious interior. The platform will also include advanced safety features, Tesla's industry-leading infotainment system, and the company's signature minimalist interior design, ensuring that the Model 2 is both affordable and high-tech. Are you ready to be part of the electric revolution? Comment below to let us know. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and join our growing community of tech enthusiasts. Be the AutoFusion subscriber and stay up to date with the latest Tesla updates and cutting-edge innovations. Stay tuned for more exciting content, and we'll see you in the next video.